Here is a 1959 Farmall 340. I consider this tractor to be a survivor. I haven't seen any indication that it has ever been repainted. Pop bought it a dozen or so years ago. It has practically new rubber front and rear. It originally had 36-inch rears on double bevel rims. Those tires may have been the originals, but were separating. I think they're still around here if you'd like to see them. Replacements were impossible to find at that time, so he switched it to 38-inch drop center rims when he put new tires on it. It still has the factory battery box and lid. The tachometer works and reads 750 hours. I have no idea if this is accurate, but I would not be surprised if it is. The torque amplifier works as it should. The transmission is noisy. The noise increases in magnitude as you progress through the gears, with fifth gear being the loudest. Not long after Pop bought the tractor, he paid a guy to fix the transmission noise. The guy took it apart and looked it over and said he could not see any cause for the noise and charged Pop $1,200. I was working lots of hours at the time, or I would have fixed it for him. The engine smokes considerably and will occasionally foul a plug. This one was next on our list to overhaul and repair, but Pop's health decline kept it from happening. Aside from seasonal bush hogging, it mostly saw use with a carryall or occasionally pulling the hay vine in a pinch.